Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit of feedback on a product that I have been trying by the brand Derma Glow Skin. And this is the product right here. So I'll start off by showing you the packaging and the box and everything. So this is the beautiful box that it comes in right here. And you just take this off. And I'm going to open the box. And obviously I have already taken out this bit here, the charging dock, and then the cord as well, because I did actually use it yesterday, which you may notice a few marks on my face, so I will get to that as well. So it comes with a little pamphlet which I read cover to cover, and also a few different little bits and bobs in here. So my overall impressions when I first looked at the box, I thought it was beautiful. I love the packaging. I think everything looks so nice. Even this here, I love the pearly, shiny sort of look of it as well. With the pink, it's a perfect touch because I love pink. And I think once I actually started using it, the shape of this, because of the curve, it's perfect. It feels really natural on the skin. It's also nice and lightweight, so this is something that I will be bringing with me to Italy, and by the time I post this I might be in Italy or have been in Italy, but either way it's coming with me to Italy, so very excited for that as well. The recommended use is in your first week to use up to 2 to 3 times a week, and then after that once a week. So I did my first session yesterday, and in the pamphlet it actually shows you how to use it as well. So for me, I had never heard of this before. I came across the brand on Instagram, and let's have a look. So I don't know if you can see, but it has a little face chart. So it tells you where and in which direction to do it on the cheek. So on the cheeks you start inwards, you go inwards to outwards on the cheek, and then down this way here. Then around the lips and chin, so you come from the middle. I just touched my lip, I'm like, where's my chin? I can't see, I got no mirror. So you start from here and you sort of go up and then down around the lips. Under the eyes you go under and then out here as well. Forehead you come up and then around in circular motions. And you can learn from my mistake, because this is the first time I've used it. I hadn't watched anyone else's video on how to use it, so I was like, oh, I have a little blackhead here. I wonder if I just keep it here sucking my skin, if it's gonna just like take it out. And when you think about it, you think about it like a hickey. If you are to like suck on something on your cheek for a certain, like for too long, it leaves a hickey mark. And think of it like this in a way, because this is like sucking your skin. If you leave it for too long, it leaves a mark. So you can probably see up here, I've got 2 marks up here which I held it for too long for up here, 1 here, and I think a few on this side as well, which is completely my mistake. So now I know for next time not to hold it down, like just because you got a mark there or something that you want to take out doesn't mean you have to hold it there for longer. It works even better if you do it quicker and just keep moving it around. So don't stop on any areas, just keep moving and keep going, and don't hold for too long in one spot. So like I said, I did use this yesterday, and when I woke up this morning my skin felt so soft. I may have mentioned in a previous video that sometimes I get a little bit of eczema on my skin, or from allergies I get dry patches. I had a little bit under my eyes and it took it off completely. So I've woken up and applied makeup, and for the first time in a long time, after having a little bit of eczema or dry skin, it actually has taken it off. So I'm always looking for something like an exfoliator or something that's able to get that dry skin off, and this definitely does. It also comes with different heads as well. So the one that came already attached to this was for sensitive skin, but it comes like in the packet it comes with different little options as well, so you can attach different options. It also comes with these little filters, so you are supposed to change the filter over after every use, and then a little brush for cleaning as well. Another thing that's important to note as well, after you have done your treatment to your face, it's important that you don't use any anti-aging creams with, what was it, acid something, that contains AHA or acid. So check the ingredients on your skincare that you are using. So for me, I went for a more natural moisturizer just on the same day or within the next 24 hours at least, just so you don't irritate the skin, because if you are removing dead skin or anything like that, your skin will be a little bit more raw and more exposed. So it's important that you are putting more natural products onto your face straight after as well. Another benefit about this product is that it's great value for money. So if you were to get this treatment done in a salon, it would be costing you thousands of dollars a year if you were going every week. Whereas this one here, you buy it once and it's yours to use as many times as you want. And another benefit is that for all of you who are very busy, working full time, mums, anyone out there who has a very busy schedule, this is perfect, because you don't need to book an appointment, drive there, park, sit in the waiting room, go get it done, as well as spending more money, come home. This one here, it literally will take you 5 minutes. I'm going to be adding it to my Friday routine. For me, Fridays are pamper days, which I use to do all of my skincare things that I need to do. So this is going to be a part of that Friday pamper day. And it's super quick as well. So I'm just going to read out to you a few extra benefits from using the product, which stimulates collagen production, helping in firming the skin up and restoring elasticity. It also unclogs pores and blackheads. And like I mentioned, 2 or 3 times in your first week, and then once a week from then on. I just want to add one last thing as well, which is what an amazing experience I had with the brand. Start to finish, from the start, I had never really heard of this product, so I had a lot of questions prior to getting it, and they answered every single one of them with the tracking. So they sent me a tracking number, and then the parcel was delivered to me the next day. The packaging was beautiful, the item is great quality, and they even sent me a follow-up message the next day to see how I went with it, which I think is so important as a small business. Communication is key, and the service was incredible. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I also hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!